Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about big data cloud computing, a powerful combination. Introductions. Big data cloud computing are two types of the most informative technologies of our time. When combined, they can help businesses to gain valuable insight from their data, improve their operation, and make better decisions. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of using big data and cloud computing together. We will look at some example of how big data and cloud computing are being used in the real world. Benefits of using big data and cloud computing together. There are many benefits to using big data and cloud computing together. Scalability. Cloud computing provides the scalable need to process and store large volumes of data. Cost saving. Cloud computing can help businesses to save money on its IT costs such as hardware and software costs. Agility. Cloud computing can help business to be more agile to respond to changes in the market more quickly. Insight. Big data can help business to gain valuable insight from their data such as customer insight, product insight, and operational insights. Example of how big data and cloud computing are being used in the real world. Here are some examples of how data and cloud computing are being used in the real world. Retailers are using a big data and cloud computing to gain insight to customer behavior, optimize their supply chain, and personalize shopping experience. Healthcare providers are using big data and cloud computing to improve patient care, develop new treatments, and reduce costs. Financial institutions are using big data and cloud computing to detect fraud, manage risks, and improve customer services. Manufacturers are using big data and cloud computing to optimize their production processes, improve product quality, and reduce cost. How to get started with big data and cloud computing. If you are interested in getting started with big data and cloud computing, there are a few things you can do. Identify your needs, what your business goals, and what kind of data you have. Once you understand your needs, you can choose the right tools and technology. Start small. Don't try to do too much at once. Start with a small pilot project, then scale up as needed. Get them help from experts. There are many experts who can help to get started with big data and cloud computing. If you need help, don't afraid to ask. In conclusion, big data and cloud computing are a powerful combination that can help businesses of all sizes to gain valuable insight and improve their operation and make better decisions. If you are interested in getting started with big data and cloud computing, there are a few things you can do, such as identifying your needs, starting small, and getting help from experts. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.